Hello friends, welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. How are you all? Today I am going to show you how you can prepare yogurt or dahi using Instapot. First of all, remove the lid. Now add 1.5 cup of water inside the inner pot. And this is a trivet that comes with Instapot. Place this trivet inside the inner pot. Today I am using pot in pot method to prepare the yogurt. So here I have taken one microwave safe bowl. You can use any bowl that you can use inside the instant pot. Now place this on the trivet. Add milk. Make sure to leave little bit space. After that, cover the lid and lock it tightly. And now set the whistle on ceiling. And now it's time to boil the milk. For this, set the steam function for 0 minutes and wait until it turns to on sign as it's shown here, and wait until it's done. So now it shows the off sign, that means it's done, and wait for automatically release the pressure. Now put the whistle on venting and carefully open the lid, and the milk is boiled properly. Now carefully remove the pot or bowl from the inner pot and place it aside and let it cool down slightly so that you can handle it without any gloves, and stir it so that the yogurt you make will be thickened. After 5 minutes, now the milk is ready, and this is the 2 tablespoons of starter or yogurt or jamun in Hindi to set the yogurt. So add 2 to 4 tablespoons of milk in this yogurt or jamun and mix it properly. After mixing it, add this in the milk and stir it only one time, and now it's time to place this inside the inner pot. Place it and now lock the lid. First of all, put the whistle on ceiling, that is very important, and lock the lid. And now press the yogurt function, because I am making in a very small quantity, so I am setting it for 5 hours. And now wait until it starts. It will take about couple of seconds, and it shows the one sign first, and this is how it shows, and I'll meet you in the morning.
So now it's been a morning, the yogurt is done. Now it's time to open it. I'm gonna open it in front of you.
Open the whistle to venting. Open the lid, and the yogurt is done. Now remove the bowl from the inner pot, and this is how beautifully the yogurt is done. It's properly set, and now I am going to show you the texture of the yogurt. You can keep it in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours before you can use it, and this is how the texture, and this is the texture after keeping it in the refrigerator. And if you like this process of making yogurt using Instapot, using pot in pot method, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.